Can you see yourself in the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, third row seat, rear AC, electronic stability control. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.